What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I wanted to shoot this video. It seems like I got to do this once a year. I always do shoot a video like this once a year, but I wanted to talk about MCA. You know, a lot of people will ask, is it real? Is it legit? Is it, what is it? Okay? MCA is a real company, okay? The only difference between them and other companies that offer roadside service is that they do word of mouth and they rather pay you by referral as opposed to doing big advertising, big marketing like you might see on some of those other insurance companies, or you might even see AAA or some of those guys. They are actually marketing on a larger scale. So instead of them paying all that millions of dollars in marketing, which they could, they rather just pay people like me and you, people that are, they rather empower us to go out and make an additional income, or us to have an unlimited income or increase on wealth. So, is it a scam? No. I'm tired of idiots. They always come around, well, it's a scam, it's a scam. How is it a scam? Because you got to recruit, or is it a scam because you can't recruit? No one likes you. At the end of the day, that's mainly what it is. No one likes you. Because people join people, and the only difference is that if you know the company and promote the company in whatever type of manner, if you tell the right thing, saying, hey, if you promote benefits and also offering a referral package, there's other ways that people market this company, but some people have followings. Some people don't have a following. So that's why I always tell people, sky's the limit. They ask me, they'll come in, they'll say, Jay, can I make this amount of money? I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say, oh, you can make this. That's why I tell everybody you can make $80 to $1,000+ a week with the company, because they pay you $80 per referral. So depending on how many people do you know, how big is your network? Do you have money for marketing? Those are a lot of factors that has to be played. However, I show you how to do all of that, which is a whole nother video, but I wanted to talk about this video and just kind of compare some of the ways that others are doing it. If you look in the Fortune 500 companies, and if you scroll down, let's just say this, okay? You can be an affiliate with a lot of programs. Some affiliates, they don't require anything up front, as opposed to MCA. It does not cost you anything to be an associate. However, we do encourage you to actually purchase the membership, because how can you sell something you don't use or don't even know about? So that's why we encourage you to even have the membership, because then that's going to unlock the additional bonus trainings that others may be offered. Because at the end of the day, guys, we're independent agents. The company is not handing us a silver spoon saying, here you go, boom, 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 and we're also going to pay you this, boom, boom, boom. They probably go bankrupt if they did everything like that for you. So that is why we come in with rock stars, and we come in with people that are not rock stars. And everybody get their little turn in, then I can get back going. So some people are rock stars and some people are not rock stars. And some people actually go out and learn, but there's so much training that people offer, that I offer, to help you to go out here and market the business. So no, it is not a scam. But I wanted to get back to this and say, hey, if you go down and you were to get on Best Buy's website, if you were to scroll all the way in the bottom, it'll allow you to be an affiliate. If you go to Walmart will allow you to actually have an affiliate site. Guys, there are programs like Fortune 500 companies, telecommunication companies, that offer referral plans to where if you go and refer others to their company, they pay you on prepaid cards. These are telecommunication companies that you guys use every day. But y'all so worried just trying to down somebody and say something is a scam because you don't know what you're doing and you don't know about it. So yes, MCA is real. I'm not gonna be addressing jackasses on my comments. I'm not gonna do any of that, man, because why would I? Why would I? It's proven. Go do your research. Like I tell everybody in the crypto space, I'm not no financial advisor. I'm not gonna tell you what to do with your money. If you wanna start investing in yourself and starting your own business, that is totally up to you. I will show you exactly how to do it. But your work ethic is all on you. But don't get mad at somebody because you don't have no work ethic in your body, and then you want to sit up here and cry scam or something when something doesn't work out for you. MCA has been around this long. People have been making money, and the effort is up to you. I don't make money with MCA if I don't go hustle. I didn't put you know what? I get money now autopilot because now I have so many YouTube and so much stuff out there that people are still checking out. Autoresponders are still moving. So guess what? I'm getting sales out there, but I put in work. I did that to put in work. Okay? So, for the jackasses that still think that MCA is a scam, no, it is not. Guys, they just offer a referral plan. They do not pay large marketing dollars. There are people making life-changing money, and then there are people making meals and bills money. The hustle is totally up to you. It doesn't matter. So that's why I say I can't say what you're going to make. All I know is that if you got a budget, you got a network, you can really, man, you can kill it. So even if you don't have a budget and you have a network with my marketing system that I offer, because also I offer things that does the selling and telling for you. I actually pull the curtain behind everything to say, hey, this is how a lot of people are doing things with marketing systems, buying traffic, posting ads on Facebook, paying for Facebook ads, or buying leads from lead sources and people that are interested in businesses and reaching out to them. That's the method. That's the motto. Now you just got to put in work. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. This your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day.